is the taste challenge, okay, for both of you. Now, Anya will say which bowls Didi will go to taste.
That looks like
And
lemon.
for Anya, Angela will say which bowl she is going to open. But before that, blindfold.
I have
Not you. First,
your chance.
who's
Mine.
Acha. This one she has to taste it, okay? Okay.
This looks like rasgulla.
Chalo, I will put my hand on all the three bowls. Angela? Okay, 1 minute. You just wait a minute. Anya, open the bowl and now put it in her mouth and she will taste it.
You have to say.
Chew, taste it and tell me what you ate just now.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Kya?
Onion.
Right. Okay.
Take your ball.
So one ball is gone. Now you decide for Anya which bowl she will going to taste.
Show me.
This one. Don't pick it up. Just choose. Anya, did you see?
Yes.
You ready to taste?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. No reactions. No reactions. Open it and give a bite to her. Blindfolds until don't open your blindfold. Here. Okay, any side, fine, no problem. Small bite is okay.
I'm happy. What did I see?
Okay, good. You ready, Angela, to taste?
Yum.
Okay.
Green chili I choose this one.
Wait, let Angela see which bowl the Anya is choosing.
Big one
You hold
will
all
be
the three. Give a bite to her.
What is it?
You have to chew it and taste it and name it.
Is it lemon?
No. Saat. At.
No. If you want to pass, you can pass. Wait.
No. It is her choice.
Challenge career. I don't want. Right.
It's not the.
She told
You have to eat little bit at least. You cannot deny it.
What is it? Where was it?
So see what you ate. See what you ate. Look. This is what you ate.
Expect me to eat this?
It's a challenge.
Thank God you didn't give me Karela.
Now I remove this. You should not give any hint to each others. Okay? First of all.
Don't do expression and speak loud.
Okay.
And another.
Express. You can express,
You can
but don't
keep
yell.
around.
Okay?
So for you this
This. Now,
Anya will touch that.
Anya, hold these two and let.
tell me the honesty. Should I?
Don't react.
What the PP sound for?
Nothing. Just wait.
La 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 la.
Eat it. Small bite.
Small bite, very small bite.
Spicy it will be. Is it spicy? What?
Parle.
Very good.
Name very long.
Chocolate.
It's
Toffee.
Oh, parle.
So that's the extra. Where is it gone?
Hey.
It's for you. This one.
Thank you. I took it already.
Anya, you choose which one Didi has to taste.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Now hold this bowl, Angela. This one.
This one.
Huh. This one you hold. And Anya.
This one for Didi.
With your right hand. Bite.
Is it lemon?
No, see.
Are
No, see properly. I
No.
Why
You have to eat. You have to eat. You can't quit.
I know
Yes.
this.
Huh.
Can you taste it again?
Yeah, like that. With her glass.
Give it
I
to
know
her.
this,
You have
but-
not. No. You have not eat it properly. Bite. Mm.
Is it a fruit? Can you give me something? I know this.
You can eat more if you want to taste.
Can you? Pass, I quit. It's katta. Okay, we pass then. It's a fruit?
That means
Yeah.
is it so bad in taste?
It's salty. It's sweet.
No, you're giving all. You're saying salty. Come on.
I can't get it.
You had eaten.
Okay.
You give up. Open your eyes and see.
It was tomato.
So you never ate raw tomato? Where you blindfold, bacha?
It's Anya's chance.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
But which is choose for me?
Yeah.
I choose.
Don't lift the bowl. Just choose one.
This one.
This one. Anya, hold the remaining 3. Don't move it, okay? Yeah. What is it? Okay, no reaction. Just give it to taste. Little bit, not the whole one. Little bit, Anya.
I directly
Huh?
pass.
Are Arya, you have to eat. No. There's no pass. You can't pass it. You have to take what you got. What is that?
Neem haldi? What is
It's tamarind, imli. What is this? Yeah, you should have tasted it little bit. Now you have to eat it. We can't. If you want to continue the challenge, you have to
Give me that now.
listen. If you want to continue the challenge, you have to taste some. You cannot just deny.
I ate
Okay.
tomato.
One small bite of this.
And then you give me like this now.
Just do that.
Of cake, so I taste.
You thought it's a cake.
Yeah,
It looks, but does it look and taste the same? No. Now, wait, let me remove this aside and keep it aside. Ready? Okay, which bowl for Didi?
I saw this. Which is big, this one. This one. That the rest too.
This.
Wait.
Now hold the remaining 2. And
Which
you-
one?
These two, na?
Which one? Decide. Don't open it.
I told Nandin.
Okay, fine.
Which one? Which
Don't
one?
remove until she is ready.
Ready.
Yeah, you have.
This one.
Okay.
It's not good. Somebody is laughing.
You have to taste her. You cannot just say no.
What
I will not
is
eat.
it? It's lemon.
Right.
Okay, right.
That means you have tasted lemon before.
So anybody can tell that.
Now which one?
I choose this one, na? I choose this one.
You choose. You choose already?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Anya looks like.
Okay. Smaller.
Damn it, Oti.
Very good. So she is getting all the favorite taste, huh?
After something came bad, I got something.
Open your blindfold. Open.
I
Okay.
choose this one.
Which?
For me? No, for me.
No.
I will choose. Then I get for
Now, both of you have to choose for your own self.
me.
Okay.
I told very far.
One is big and one is small.
You are
bowl.
lifting the
Wait,
bowls.
wait.
And now choose. Don't lift the bowls. Now blindfolds. Okay.
My chance.
Close your eyes.
Holding this
Which one? Both? Same? No.
This one I choose.
Acha, then Anya. Don't be scared. Just taste it. So sad ना कितना बेकार आया है ना उसको दे दो खिलाओ
Big bite.
Apple.
Happy?
I got so much sweet. No.
Bowl
Oh no.
for Anya.
Anya the last bowl.
Oh no. ठीक है खिलाओ क्या कर सकते हैं
पी लेना.
Apple.
Yes. So that was the last.
I got one.
That was the last challenge. So I kept apple for both of you.
And only
Finish
that.
your bites. Finish.
चलेगा.
So remove the seed.
Seed के साथ लेंगे.
Spit it. So happy with the challenge, both of you?